This is Bedtime from speech experts Nicola Lathey and Tracey Blake, and this is a fantastic book if you'd like to join in with me. Mummy says, "Up, up, up to Mummy." Now you try saying, "Up, up, up." Mummy says, "Vest off, nappy off. Your turn. Off, off, off." Mummy says, "Tickle time. Your turn. Tickle, tickle, tickle." Daddy says, "Bubble bath. Bubble pop. Your turn. Pop." Daddy says, "Pat, pat, pat. Warm and dry. Your turn. Pat, pat, pat." Daddy says, "Where's baby? Pika. Your turn. Boo." Mummy says, "Pop, pop, zip. Ready for bed. Your turn. Zip." Daddy says, "Which book? Car, broom broom, or lion, roar? Your turn. Roar." Mummy says, Yummy milk. Your turn. Mmm. Mummy says, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." Your turn. Twinkle, twinkle. Mummy and Daddy say, "Shh. Night, night, baby. Your turn. Night, night." And that is the end of Bedtime from speech experts Nicola Lathey and Tracey Blake.